Hello and welcome to my channel. This is Nina from the Forgotten Bookshop Girl, and today is all about book stars, so stars made from book pages. You might remember that I've just published a new Skillshare class, and this class is all about making star garlands like this one, with all 3 different sizes of stars. And we are also learning how to make a star garland that you can turn into a 3D star garland. And I didn't wrap this one up properly, so it's looks a bit messy. But basically in this one you can fold out the stars, and then you get this really cute 3D effect. And what I wanted to show you now is all based on making the 3D star garland. For those of you who have taken my class, you will know how to make those, and I'm going to leave a link below this video. That's going to be a link to my class. I'm going to include a few free tickets for you, so that means all you have to do is create an account on Skillshare, either using your email or using your Facebook account, but you won't have to pay anything. You won't have to, start a subscription or anything. It just means that you can watch this class for free, and maybe any other free class on Skillshare. I'll also leave another link below which will give you free access to this class and all of my other classes for 2 months. So that will be a premium membership for 2 months for free. However, after the 2 months, you would start a subscription. So you would have to make sure, if you didn't want a subscription, you would have to make sure that you just cancel the subscription in time. But you would have access to all of my lessons and also to all the lessons on Skillshare. Right, but just to give you a quick idea of how we've been making these stars, obviously grab an old book. I've got all the star templates as a PDF file in the class, but so we've been using the templates to draw the stars onto the book pages. I'll be cutting them out, and then it's a case of sewing 3 stars together, either using your sewing machine or you can do it by hand, and I'm showing you how to do either in the class. And then what I thought you can also do with the 3D stars is create really cute little tree hangings. So you not only have a 3D star garland, but little 3D stars you can hang on your tree or anywhere in your home. So what I've done with this, I left a bigger gap between the stars. I did these on my sewing machine, and I used the reverse stitch when I started. So I'm sewing them from this way towards the tip of the star. Used the reverse stitch. You could also just put a little bit of glue down here so that the thread doesn't unravel. If you're doing it by hand and you're using a running stitch, I'm showing you all of that in the class. I would probably start at the top, go all the way down, and then go all the way back, filling in the gaps, and so you don't have to worry about thread becoming undone, and then you've got enough thread to hang it up. But I've just created some extra lessons for my class where I'm showing you exactly how to do this. And then I'll need a pair of scissors, and I can just cut one star off here, then tie a knot. As you can see, I've used gold thread, but I find it really tricky to sew with it, or at least on my sewing machine. Might be that I'm doing something wrong there. I think probably I haven't quite got the tension right, because it starts, but it keeps tearing, which is quite annoying, but it looks really pretty. So okay, and then all you need to do is just fold them. Again, I am showing how to do that in the class. Again, fold them out. And then you just fiddle around with the star until you're happy with the shape, and you've got your little 3D stars that you can then put on your tree. And obviously you can use the other size. This is the medium-sized star, but I've got templates for the small, medium and large stars, and you can get them as part of the class download. So yeah, I thought this was a really cute idea to do.